Okay, check YouTube.
I'm gonna be mad if this doesn't work.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm just saying check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, why? Ooh, YouTube just pissed me off. I'll be mid-typing, and then it's like, sleep time is soon. No, it's not. Okay. Yes, sir. It's working.
Do you hear the audio?
Ew, I hear my voice. Yeah, it's working.
Is it recording? Okay.
It is recording. Wait, is it recording your screen?
No, it's not. Wait.
I don't see your screen.
Okay. Do you see it now?
It's working.
Do you hear? Is it recording?
It is recording. Wait, is it recording your screen? No. Oh, there you go. It's recording.
You see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Is there a way to make this bigger?
Oh, there you go. It's recording. All right. Are we ready?
I think so.
Okay. I've left off on number 9.
So audio is being recorded?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm also recording this, like, recording it as an actual thing. Okay.
Okay.
So, does it see me writing? Okay, it does see me writing. Nice. Okay, what do you currently see on the stream?
Oh, I turned it off. My bad.
Oh, no, you're good.
Let me search it up again.
Like, how delayed is the stream?
Like a few seconds, but I turned it off.
Okay.
Wait. Your screen's black.
It's black?
Okay. It turned black. Oh, I turned it off.
Oh, no, you're good. Oh, is my... Okay. Okay, wait. How delayed is the stream?
Shabeen, it doesn't matter. Seconds, but...
Okay, do you see it right now?
No. Wait. Your screen's black.
It's black?
Well, I don't know. It's like a 30-second delay. Hold on. I can see it. Whatever you did the first time, it's working.
Okay, wait. So right now the stream...
Give me like 20 seconds, sir. Don't do anything. Your screen's black.
It's black? Is it...
Well, it's like a 30-second delay. Hold on. I can see it. Whatever you did the first time, it's working. Yeah, I can see your stuff.
You can see it?
Yeah. Can we please? Can we move on? Should we?
I think so. As long as it's like
It's
showing stuff.
On mine, it's working, so let's just pray that it
continues.
30 minutes, Shaheen.
Okay. What do you want to do right now?
Problem 9.
Problem 9? Okay.
Yeah.
Problem 9. It look like this. Okay. Just making sure it's still... Okay. Okay. Problem 9 says what? Find... I'll label it. Find basis for... I don't know. of t each. Okay, so A says, let me zoom in on the right one so I don't like write the wrong thing. Okay, the transformation from R3 to R4, and you're given that the transformation of x, y, z equals the transformation equals this, x, comma, x, comma, y, comma, y. Okay, it wants you to find a basis for the kernel of each of these. Okay. Okay, so the kernel, do you recall the kernel stuff at all or no?
No, she didn't even like in the video. She didn't really go over it.
Kernel, the kernel of a transformation is just saying all stuff that maps, I guess, here, that turns into zero vector. It's kind of silly. It's like, I think you can call it the nullity as well, or the null space. I'll just show you like how to go through the process. Okay. Step 1. Set t x y z equal to 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Therefore, we can say, let me think. I think of how to explain this part. Okay. You also know that t x y z equals the thing that they gave you at the top, x comma y comma y. So we can say x comma y equals 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, if all of this stuff equals 0, then that means y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So we can just say, therefore, x equals 0, y equals 0. Let me just think. Damn, she really didn't teach you any of this?
The video was like really confusing.
I feel like it's going to be hard to explain if, like, foundation is lacking.
Explain it like from scratch.
You want me to explain, like, kernel from the beginning?
Yeah. But
Okay.
don't get too conceptual because I don't really care.
Okay. I think.
I just want to know how to do it.
Okay. Okay, in that case,
Just
I'll go to a new page, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. Kernel. Okay. Things to know. Recall. For a transformation from R whatever, Rn to Rm, these are true. we could say to be linear T. These properties hold.
Is it like the addition one and the multiplication?
Yes, good. So the first thing is going to be the transformation of, I don't know, whatever you want to call it.
I think
U.
she's plus V is equal to TU plus TV.
Good job. TU plus TV. I hope this is still recording.
Bro, I don't care. 2 is, I think it's like
Do you remember it?
TC.
Yes. TCU
Plus
equals.
TC.
You don't even need
Oh,
to add. You could just TCU. The
yeah.
whole idea is you could.
And it's like CTU?
Yes, good. You could just take the constant out.
Right.
I'll just say C is a scalar for all C elements of real numbers. Okay.
What the hell is that V?
Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay. We can also say this. So, let me think. What was the thing about transformations? It was.
I sent you her classwork if you want to just go through it from like how she taught it.
Sure. I'll look at what she did. Well, this is just reviewing, like, transformation. That's not on this. This
Oh,
is.
I know how to do that.
It's okay. Okay. It can be written. What was it? Okay. For matrix A size M by N.
M is row. No, it's column. It's column.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. It like the first one is row, the second one's column. I'll do N by M. It doesn't really matter.
I see.
First one's row, second one's column. It
I see.
equals. Huh?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay. Now we can start with kernel. Kernel. I also spelled it wrong. I think it's E. Yeah. Okay. I know. Let T be the transformation from Rn to Rm. Therefore, the kernel of T can be written as this. Okay. This is going to look weird. You just have to trust the process. Okay. Well, actually, let me make sure I don't confuse you when I write this. Okay, I'll just put, if I said the set of all vectors in V that satisfy, would that even make sense? Like, that's her definition. I'll just write it formally, and then I'll explain it, okay? Don't worry. Don't freak out, please. Actually, in Rn. And then we're going to set T of X equal to 0. Okay. With knowing that T of X equals A of X, then we can say that the kernel of T equals x, and we can say that ax equals 0. Trust the process, okay? It's saying the kernel, I'll put it in words. Kernel is the solution to is a solution of the homogeneous system. Homogeneous. We'll do an example and you'll see. System. Okay. While we're here, I should also define nullity. Do you remember? Do you know what nullity is?
It's ringing a bell. Do I remember it? No. If I see it, will I remember? Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm not redefining it from scratch. I'm just going to show you how it relates to kernel. Nullity.
Also, I'm standing up, by the way, because I was falling asleep.
Nullity. How do you guys write it? Do you guys put null?
Well, I don't even know. I just put null.
Nullity of T equals. You're not going to like this.
Ugh, I remember this.
Of the kernel of T.
Are
Okay.
you thinking?
This, I'll just put it in words. It's the number of free variables.
Yes. Stupid. What does that even mean?
Free variables from solving ax equals 0. I think that's a good way to put it. Okay. I'm confused. Have you learned kernel yet or no?
No, I'm telling you,
Oh.
I don't know who Colonel is.
You don't know who kernel is?
Oh,
Colonel
or popcorn, like.
Okay. Okay, I'll write down like steps to find. I don't know. I guess to find kernel.
Sorry, y'all.
Kernel
Really,
given.
everything that I sent you from like what's it called? You need to look at her notes. That's where I left off. All of that I do not know.
Okay.
So I'll do that.
Okay. I like how her notes don't even like teach it. She didn't even teach it.
No, she's fat. Sorry. No, I'm not.
Find the kernel of T.
Being bad.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. TA equals AT. Okay. I think this is still fine. Okay.
Whatever. I'm gonna find this.
Okay. Set up ax equals 0 to REF to get X solutions. And then
Sorry, I'm interrupting you. I just want a feather and I have no idea where this feather came from. It was in my Nido. I was squeezing it and I found a feather.
is it like a pigeon feather? What kind of feather?
It's like a peacock feather.
Oh, okay, nice.
No, it's like a feather.
Ostrich feathers, got it.
No.
We can do like he did. Wait, she's weird for this. She didn't even like.
She's huge, bro.
Why did she start with such a weird example? Sure, we can do this. Actually, I'll give you a normal problem first, and then we can do that. Yeah, she's weird for this, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go to example 4, example 4 is a good spot to start. Example 4. Let T be the transformation from R3 R2 and T of X equals, oh sorry, no, that's what you put, equals AX with A equals this matrix. I don't know why she didn't start with like numbers. She just went head first into like giving you guys variables. She's tripping, bro. 2, 3. Okay. Step 1. Set up AX equals 0. Okay.
No.
Huh?
No.
No. Okay. How about you find another way to solve it, actually?
No, please.
Okay. We're going to set this up. So it's going to be 1, -1, 2. It'll be -1, 2, 3. And then what's going to be over here?
X1.
What else?
X2. Girl, there's an X3 because where? Oh yeah, there's X3.
X1, X2,
Right.
X3.
Right, X3 equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Equals to what?
0, 0.
Good. 0, 0. Okay. So we can say, we can just do this. We can do 1,
Work?
-1. What did you say? What? Twerk?
No. I think I have pink eye.
I wonder why.
Ugh, stop. You never stop digging in my butt.
No, I don't. For all I know, it's gotten worse. Okay. Well, we're going to do RREF on this.
No.
No. Okay. We could just do R1 plus R2 into R2.
Geo.
Hmm?
My eyes itchy. But keep going.
1 and 2.
My head is up in the clouds like.
Okay. What does this give us? Let me think for a moment. Okay.
Ooh.
Hey. Okay. This is an REF. So we need to get to RREF. RREF. I'll continue below because I ran out of room. So we want to get rid of this one now. So we're gonna do R2 plus R1 into R1. That gives, what does that give us? I don't know. 1, 0, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 5. Okay. Okie dokie. So this gives us a system.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. This gives us x1 plus 7x3 equals 0. This gives us x2 plus 5x3 equals 0, I think. Yeah. Okay, so what's going to happen here? Tell me. You see something? You see something?
A free variable.
Yes!
X1 equals minus 17.
x3 equals t. x1 equals -7t.
I don't remember what X2 was.
I think it's -5t. Yeah. Okay. So we can say,
2 kernel.
oh,
2 kernel. Wait, 1 kernel.
kernel.
Keep going.
Okay. Oh, sorry, my neck. Oh. Okay. So we can say the kernel of T equals, let me think of how to, okay. X1 is negative 7T. So we're going to do, it'll be X1, X2, X3. So we can say it equals negative 7T.
Negative 5T. T.
Okay. You cooked.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And you should put T.
All around numbers.
Sure. Yeah, this is the same thing. Me writing this funky looking thing is the same thing as that.
The most.
Oh, whoopsie. That's not supposed to be. Okay. This could be your final answer.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what the kernel is. Okay.
Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Yeah. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. She wrote, what is that? Rot? I don't know what that's
Maybe
supposed to say. Huh?
maybe row or
She put
might be row echelon.
something equals T times, I don't know what that's supposed to say. I
What
have
problem is that? 4?
example 4. Yeah. She said she like RV equals T times -7, -5, 1. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but this could also be your final answer. You don't need to simplify it any further.
Oh, she said cur T is equal to what you wrote, T real,
Yeah.
or span
Yeah. Well, I don't know what
V
the thing next to it is.
it's V equals T -7. She just pulled the T out.
What is V equals? Why does she have to set it equal to V?
Uh, I don't know. You should talk to her.
Yeah, that's a good question. That's a good point. I think I should talk to her. Okay.
Okay, I
Let me think.
to do the one on the classwork.
You want to do the one on the classwork?
Am I ready to?
Um, I don't think. Have you understood the basis? Like, um, let me think
I
of
just
it.
wanted to work. I'll learn as I do classwork.
Okay. So, classwork number 9. Okay, wait. Let me think of how to put this. Um, mm, um, let me think.
Thinking a lot, bro.
Because I'm trying to think of how to explain it. Because like this, does this make sense to you? What I have
X is
written
equal.
so far?
I mean, kernel is all the stuff that turns into 0. Kernel's what we just found, right?
Yeah. That kernel is what we were doing. This stuff is all kernel.
Like, technically here, how would you solve it using the method you just did?
Well, I think the issue is here we're
Oh,
given
so
the
it's all
kernel.
variables?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
this is all variables, and we're given like the kernel. Like we are already told it turns into this thing. So we don't actually have to solve. Actually, wait, let me think. Do we?
I'll ask ChatGPT. No, they just wrote what you did, but it says basis for kernel is 001. It says
Okay, okay.
extracting.
That makes sense. That makes sense, I think. Wait. I think I could explain why that is the case.
Because X, Y, Z, and we only have things in terms of X and Y.
Well, no, I think the situation is that X and Y actually go away because we
What?
just found X equals 0 and Y equals 0, right? So we can say we have. Did my pen stop? Oh no! Don't tell me my pen died.
Stop.
Okay, the pen is still alive, but it's flashing. Let me connect it to a lifeline. Oh shit!
Longest freaking lesson on Kernel, bruh.
Yeah. Well, half of the lesson was spent trying to get the stream up. Low-key.
I know, we should have not done that, bruh.
It's okay. Well, now if you want, you can come back and look at whatever this is. So, is it possible to turn this on while it is charging? I don't think so. Let me think. Do I have my grippy pen?
I don't know. I might have taken it.
I've always got my grippy pen on me. Don't worry.
Shane, is it grippy?
You don't want to know.
I do.
No, trust me, you don't. Okay, so far it thinks it's my finger. I don't know if that's a good thing. Okay, well, I'll turn off my Bluetooth. Maybe it'll let me write? Question mark. Okay, or not.
The days are up in the clouds.
Like, they should have given it.
I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you're not. You haven't even done anything yet. we haven't even gone through.
Long. I just want to do my classwork and move on with my life.
Tell me, if you didn't understand any of this, well, how are you supposed to go through it? Okay. So we have t of x, y, z equals t of 0, 0, z. And z can be anything. So let me think how to put this.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay. We could do this. Don't write this, not that. That's irrelevant. That's wrong, actually, I think. Okay. So we know that after solving for x and y, our xyz is actually just going to be 0, 0, z. And therefore,
Or they Z. Oh, is it because we know X equals 0 and Y
yes.
equals 0? Okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
I get it. Okay. Z is free. It can be any number. So we can say, we can low-key take z out. Okay, yes we can, because
Ooh.
trust.
Should being allowed to zoom out for a second.
Actually, this is okay. This is kind of confusing. Let me be more specific before you write this line. Z is free.
Like T?
Yes, good. So let z equal t. Therefore,
Then
0,
you get
0
Z on the outside? Oh,
yes. No, you do. You get 0, 0, t. Yeah? And you could take the t out. T, 0, 0, 1. Holy moly. Okay. This is your kernel.
Bruh, that little tiny thing.
Yeah. Therefore, kernel of T is just going to be, it's going to be this
So
T.
it's kind of just another way of finding like a basis, I guess.
Yes. All of these things, basis is like the most annoying thing on the face of the planet. It's just going to, you could say, Z equals T for all T, whatever. This is just free T. That's just what that means. Okay. And your teacher explained in the notes earlier, she said that it's also equal to the span, right?
Yeah.
The span of the set. 0, 0, 1. And we can say, so the basis is going to be the guts of that.
Okay.
So we're actually going to say, so the basis equals, it's all about these stupid curly braces and where you put your parentheses, bro. Look at this. I'm pretty sure this is how you're supposed to solve this. Okay. Here, it's the span of the set. Note, I'm going to draw this in red. Note, the span of the set. The basis is a set. Okay?
Okay.
So the curly braces come first if it is a set. This is the span of a set. The basis is a set. Okay? This stuff, I'm sorry, this stuff is so weird to explain, and your teacher's not doing anything on these notes, bro. She's actually an op. She's tripping. Okay, but this is your answer, I think. If we did this right, I'm hoping this is correct. So far, I'm assuming you love kernel. So, because you love it so much, we're going to do part B.
Was that B? Mommy, just shoot me. Mommy, shoot me. Okay, wait. So we're going to do T, X, Y is equal to 0, 0?
Yes, I believe so, actually. Yeah, yes.
And then you do
Good
T,
job.
X, Y is equal to X minus Y, Y minus X. Kind of redundant, but we'll just hear me out. You're going to do X minus Y, Y minus X is equal to 0, 0. So, actually, X is equal to Y, question mark? And then Y is equal to, just X equal to Y equals to X. Or am I bugging?
Wait. This gives us two equations. It gives x minus y equals 0. Gives y x equals 0.
Yeah, you get X equals Y and Y equals X.
Yes.
I didn't do it that way, but
It means the same thing.
okay.
Therefore,
And then you do X
and then you can do this.
is equal to...
Wait. Before you do it, you have to define stuff.
Bruh.
I don't know. Do you want to let x or y equal t? Doesn't matter.
I was getting there.
Oh.
That was what I was doing.
Okay. Then I let you continue. You continue while I let my pen charge.
Let X equal T. And so you get, what's it called? X, Y is equal to T Y? Doesn't seem right.
Sorry, what? Say that again.
Parentheses X comma Y is equal to T comma Y, but that's not right.
You're really close though. Okay.
I'm
You
missing
said,
something.
what did you let equal to t.
T or X.
Okay. And you
Oh!
all. Uh-huh.
Oh, wait. Don't tell me.
I'm not telling
Let
you.
me just think for a little bit.
I let you stink. Well, you've
It
already been doing that, but.
it should be that doesn't make sense. T minus Y minus T.
Okay. Wait. What does that tell
I
you? Wait, okay, Tanya. You have that
T
x
is equal
equals
to
y,
Y?
right? You said x equals y, right?
Yeah.
If
So
x equals t, yes, y equals t.
so it's just T?
Yes. Yeah. You're right there. And then what do we do? What do we do in the last? What do we do in part A?
Hold on, let me write something
You're
down.
so close. You're so close.
What did you do in part A?
Yeah. Just like
You said this is
particularly
free.
here. What do we
You set that hold on.
We did something. We
Wait.
set it equal to that, and then we did something.
You pulled it out?
Uh-huh. What do you have so far?
I think I might have written this wrong, but hold on. Bear with me. Before I think I might have gotten lost in the sauce.
Okay. It's okay.
Uno momento. They're saying that that's free, so we get this, that. So is it T, comma T is equal to 0, 0?
Uh-uh.
No, right?
Uh-uh. Don't get creative. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Look this. Look this.
Oh,
Look.
T 1, sorry.
Huh?
T on the outside 1, comma 1.
Yes. Yes.
So her T is equal to bracket thing T 1 1 comma T is all real numbers. Bracket. Oh, but we need to find the bases. So you write the span, which is parentheses, bracket, 1, 1, thoughts?
Yes.
And then the inside your B. So
Yes. Yes.
B is equal to bracket 1 comma 1 in parentheses and then bracket.
Yes.
Yeah.
As long as I did the problem right. I
I
think this
can
is
double
right.
check real quick.
Okay. Do you have solutions?
GPT.
Oh,
Uh,
GPT, chippy, chippy,
please. Okay,
chippy.
wait, why am I literally the fastest learner in the world?
You're goated. You might even be a goat, to be honest.
Hey, that's not nice.
You're
We got it right. Okay,
good.
given the linear transformation T by TV equals AV, find A, kernel T, B, nullity T, C, range T, D. Can she suck my balls? Asking so much.
Ooh, you're on YouTube live right now. I'd be careful what you say.
I'm about to say.
Don't say it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna write all that. I'm just gonna put T. What did she say? T of V
T by
equals
T of V equals AV.
was AV.
Do you like the way I flick my tongue going now?
Okay.
Can you write this until I'm
Oh,
mm.
okay. Mm, for A equals 1 to -1.
Can you write it a little faster, damn it?
Damn it. Okay. We'll
I'm gonna
do.
switch up and use green.
Huh? Okay. To find the kernel of T. Okay. What do we want to do to find the kernel?
Set it equal to 0, so you're gonna do A V vector equal to 0.
Good.
So you do 1, 2, -1, 1, 0. 1, V1, V2, V3
Yes, good.
is equal to 0, 0. So you get your system. Oh, I guess we can just directly make my matrix.
Yeah, I would recommend like showing it though. I don't know how picky your teacher is.
Uh, yeah. Low-key, I'm gonna swap rows.
Sure. Do you want me to show the row reduce, or do you want me to just like plop down what I think the final answer is?
Plop down what you think the final answer is, and I'll work through it.
Okay.
I'm still working on mine though, so.
No, it's okay. Take your time. What's the rush? I think. That cancels. Oh,
And I'm falling
yeah.
so.
I think you get.
Wait, don't tell me. I'm
I'm
working
not
through
saying it out loud. I'm not saying it out loud. I don't say it out loud. Yes. Right.
it.
Yeah. I think this is. I think this makes sense.
Okay. I got that. That's what I got.
Okay. Good.
So let me just quickly. So you get V1 plus V3 equals 0. And then you get V2 minus V3 equals 0. So we say V3 is equal to T.
Good. Wait. I think you're getting the hang of this.
You're getting V2 equals T. V1 is equal to minus T. And then don't spoil this. Can you go back to the notes that we did earlier? Sorry, I don't have them
Yep.
like ingrained in my brain yet.
No, you're good.
So kernel T is going to be equal to V bracket V1, V2, V3 bracket, which is the same as, where are you? Negative T, 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 which is just X.
T. But you need the notes.
Yes. Oh, that's it. For all row numbers.
So we can say V1 equals negative T. V2 equals T. Therefore, I think you might have cooked. I'll be honest. Therefore, V equals negative T. Actually, wait, let me clarify before. Let me be specific.
Nullity. You're gonna have to go back to those notes, man.
Okay.
Because
Equals.
we said something about nullity. I just don't remember what it was. I got that. That's what I got, yo.
You're cooking. And we take this out and we get.
Oh, I didn't take it out.
You need to take it out. Because that way you can actually find.
Do that
You can
in your work.
cook. Huh?
Do that next time.
Oh, actually, yeah. You don't need to take it. You can just leave it. But I think taking it out, it becomes useful for other things. Therefore, the kernel. Sorry. Yeah, but I did leave it in there in my work. For kernel of T equals T negative 1, 1, 1 for all T elements, real numbers. Okay. Okay. What part B was saying? Oh,
Wait,
no.
go back to the other notes real quick.
Yes.
So I can try to solve B. We said something about nullity earlier. Where are you?
In the middle.
Dimension. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me do this real quick. Let me just write this down. T is equal to dimensions of curve. Let me just write this number of free variables when solving.
So how many free variables did we use here?
Just one. So
That's it.
we just say null of t is equal to 1.
I think. I don't know what the notation is. It might be nullity t. I don't know if
I'm
it's
be picky about that, TBH. It's the
huh?
same thing.
It
Oh wait,
it
no, because there's null and
yeah,
nullity.
yeah, I think it's nullity. Let me be
I'll write nullity. Nullity. Actually, you're
yes.
right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's nullity. Nullity.
Okay. See, range. I haven't learned that.
Okay. Let me do the next part then. Wait. Let me just write down the thing. Nullity of t equals dim span of
Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get through calculus. Or like getting.
write
Well,
down. Only three variables t.
so wait, real quick. Look at
Yeah.
the clockwork. 12
Okay.
and 13, is that a part of 6.2?
12. I don't know if 1-to-1 and onto is part of.
I Let me double check the classwork real quick.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's part of this stuff or not.
Let me
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah,
I think
it is.
it is. Yeah, I see it after example 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay, after we finish like range and rank, I'll do 11 tomorrow because it's the same
Okay.
thing as like same idea at least.
Yeah.
So let me write that down before I forget. And then we can just move on and do 12 when we're done with this range stuff.
Yeah. 7.
So what's his range, sir?
I teach you. Sorry, one moment. I'm rewriting this part of the notes. Span,
Okay.
span set -7.
Bruh,
-5.
range T, find RREF of H, determine the columns with leading 1. The bases consist of column what? Is it just a column of leading ones?
Wait, let me write them.
So wouldn't it just be 2?
Wait, what's the topic that you need help with? Range?
Range T. It's just a definition. It's
Yeah.
after 5C.
Okay.
Find RREF of A, which we did. Determine the columns with leading ones. There's 2. The bases consist of column vectors. Tanya doesn't get it. Oh, it's just the basis. It's equal to the basis, correct?
So the basis?
Yep. She said range T equal basis, and then the basis of the ones with the leading ones. Sure.
Wait.
Also, she defined nullity T as n minus rank T.
Yeah, but you don't know. You haven't learned rank yet either. Wait, have you learned rank?
No.
You're not. They're relationships. All of these things are related. Like rank is the dimension of the range. I
Girl.
explain. I'll explain. I'll explain it. The range. Do you need to know like a basis for the range? I don't really understand what the question.
This is
Maybe I'm
asking.
not.
It says C. Find, given the T by T, find range T.
Range can't just be a number. I don't think. Maybe I'm tripping.
Well, look at what she did. She said
in the thing.
RF of augmented matrix of AX equals 0. We did that. And then it says determine the columns with leading 1. So
Oh, okay. She made a basis. Okay.
yeah, so she made a basis. That's why I'm like,
Okay, that's why I was confused. I thought you said it equaled 2. I was like, huh?
well, so we just say basis.
Wait. Yeah, you could say range of t equals the basis, which equals
Can I try?
yes.
Is it 1, 0, 1?
No, I don't think. Wait, let me
Well, I
look
thought
at.
you said it was with the leading ones. Maybe I'm. Hold on. Let me think a little more. How did this bitch do it?
It's the original. Wait.
Oh, from the original?
I think so. Wait, am I tripping?
Wait a second.
I think it is from the original.
Oh, it's the column. She
It's
does a
the
column
It's the
basis.
columns, but from the original.
Okay, wait. Let me double check that. Okay, so ours would be.
Range.
It would just be 1, 1, and then comma parentheses 2, 0,
I'll write them like this. 1 1. Yes, good.
and then 2, 0, right? And that's it.
Yeah. There's
Wait.
there's different ways you can write it. Your teacher wrote it as a basis. How did she write it?
Yeah. Let me see the way you're writing it. So,
Yeah. You can also write it like this, I'm pretty sure.
let's do the basis way because that's what she did.
Yeah. So therefore, range of t equals b equals this. I think you can just say it equals. What did she
Comma
did she just put? Okay.
2, 0. That's it. I think that's literally all she did, bro.
Yeah, I think this is how you can leave it.
Okay.
I think either of those are acceptable, but if she wanted the basis way, you have to set it equal to the basis and then show what the basis is.
Wait, let me see the other one.
The other way is just this.
Let me just write that real quick. Okay. And then it says D, find the rank.
Yeah. The rank. Okay. Wait, what was the formula that you got?
For a rank, I'm looking for it real quick. I just lost it. How did you do rank for matrix A? Do REF and determine the number of columns
Well,
leading.
you had like a formula that you mentioned for it. I just want to see.
What the flip, man? How did I
Oh, I
lose it?
found it. I found it. I could tell you.
Why can't I find it?
It says sum of rank and nullity.
To find rank?
You can find rank differently. You don't need to find rank that way. Like the way I do it is rank is the dimension. I think I don't. Did she put this dimension?
Do it the way she did, please.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
She did. Oh,
She didn't really.
she didn't
What is
fucking
she?
explain what she did. She's so huge, bro.
What is she saying?
She
N.
just
Oh,
did
N is.
she did the dimension one. Because here she says dimension T equals 2 and then rank T equals 2. So I'm assuming she did the dimension way. So there's just one?
Yeah. Oh, she does. She does. She does dim range T. Okay, good. That's what I was about to do in her work. That's what
Find the
she did.
dimension of B. Is it just like 2?
Huh?
Nothing. Just keep writing.
Dimension range equals dimension of range T. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. So what is the dimension of, okay, what does the dimension of the range mean? This is our range, right? Range is this whole thing.
I thought dimension has to do with how many like non-zero
Yeah. Okay. So what is it? You
two.
said it. Yeah. You can call them. You can.
How
I'll
can
put.
I?
Let me give you like the intuitive. Do you know what a pivot is?
Yeah, like the number that starts with a 1. That
Yes.
doesn't have like a 1 below or above it or something.
Number of pivots. That's all it is.
Leading ones, right?
Yes.
It doesn't have to be a leading one. She's done it before where it's like 1 and then 2. As long as there's like a
Yeah. As long as it starts
zero.
with a zero number. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Let's try to do 12 and 13, please.
Okay. Wait, we haven't even done 11.
I said I can do that one because it's the same as the above.
Okay.
So I was like, I'll give that one a go tomorrow.
Okay.
So we'll skip to 13. Sorry.
What about 12? You don't want to do 12?
Oh, sorry, 12. That's what I meant. Yeah, 12, please.
Okay.
There's no way I'm gonna fit calc right now.
You're not. I
We'll
would
try.
not. You're given some stuff. T of what? T of V.
Determine if T is 1 to 1.
Equals AV. Okay. For A, you're given A equals.
I learned this one tomorrow. No, I have to get linear out of the way.
Well, you wanted to push this to the side?
Well, because I want to do calc, but I think. Would you be able to help me tomorrow with calc?
Maybe. I have to finish. I have to do my homework too.
Yeah,
Once I do my homework, yeah.
Are you gonna do it right when you get home or no?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna try and just get it out of the way. It's a long homework.
1, right?
Huh?
You get home at 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
1:30. A bit around there depending on Bart.
Okay.
Okay. So
We'll see how it goes tomorrow.
okay, so we're given a matrix A. So first thing, I kind of want to define, before I do this actually, I'm going to define what the things mean. Like 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means,
That the point goes directly to the other point.
well, yeah, but I'm trying to think of how to explain that
I'm
intuitively.
looking at the picture, it makes sense.
Yeah,
That's enough for me.
that's
just
enough for you.
1 to 1. Does that just mean you have to get the same output? Essentially, same number. The outputs are equal to each other. Here, she did 1 to 1 x and then f of x, y, f of x. F of x equals x plus 1 is 1 to. Huh?
Okay, I have to think of how to explain this to you. 1 second. Wait. Okay. Yeah, okay, I can explain this. Yeah. Okay. This is a good way to do it. To check. Here. Checking. Okay. If you're checking if it's 1 to 1, you can do this. I'll do up here, I'll write down let n equal. Do you want to let n, we'll let m equal columns.
Do it the way she does it.
Okay. I'll look at what she's doing. Okay. She does not one. Then t is 1 to 1 if and only if cur t equals 0. Okay. Is she doing with nullity? Why is she doing with nullity?
Do it the way that she does it, though, low key. Even if you don't like it.
Yeah, let me read what the hell she's doing. Because I think she be doing the most, bro. Okay. She's saying solve for kernel of t x equals 0 or tx equals 0. If cur t equals 0, it is 1 to 1. Calculate rank equals dimension of that minus nullity of t equals dimension w, then it is onto. What? Why is she explaining it like that? Actually horrendous. She just be drawing circles, bro. Her notes, literally, the circles aren't even circling anything.
They're blobs, bro.
It's just random circles. They're not even around anything. I think she like accidentally shifted everything up. She definitely did, because nothing's even in its right slot. Okay. She's saying, sure, I'll do checking if it's 1 to 1. We'll do this. These are the steps to check if it's 1 to 1. Okay. Solve x equals 0. If t x equals a set with 0 in it, then 1 to 1. Oh, sorry, not tx. If kernel of t,
So it's just a definition.
yes. You need to just solve and then test for stuff.
Okay.
Okay. If the kernel of t equals the set with the 0 set, then we can say it's 1 to 1. Interesting way to put it. Checking if it's onto. First step to check if it's onto, find rank t. What? Equals dim v minus null t? She's tripping, bro. What? What are these? Butthole lad. Interesting. Find rank t equals. This is what she's writing, so I'm just going to put it. And then I'll explain what this means. if rank T equals dimension W, then it's onto. Interesting. Okay, I think we just have to do the problem so I can explain it, because this makes no sense right now.
Okay.
Okay, for this first one, we're given 4, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Yeah? This is what we're given for part A.
Right.
Okay. You're gonna do RREF.
So RREF.
Yeah.
So I'm honestly just multiplying by. Oh well, I'll get rid of my -2 first. So I'll do -2 R2 plus R1 into RREF, yeah. And so you get 0, 0, 0, 1.
I'll let you do that, and then I'll tell you what it is.
I got 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Therefore, we can say, let me think of how to put this. What do we do here? We said, okay, we get this. Okay, actually, screw whatever that was. What is the rank here?
Rank
Yeah.
is going to be, well,
What
the
what
dimension
did
leading ones.
what did we define it as?
2.
What did we?
Well, I
Yes.
guess
Good.
yeah, 2.
Good. You're right. You're right. It's a number of pivots. It's just however many of those things there are. Therefore, 2 pivots. Therefore, rank of T equals 2. Okay.
Okay.
Let me think of how she's doing it. If it equals dimension W, what does that even mean?
Dimension W. Dimension W. Subspace? Is she going into subspaces?
I don't know what she's implying. Oh. Bro, she needs to explain what this means. Okay. Dim W means assume the transformation is from V to W. Like this is for example, this is R2, this is R3. W is R3.
Is this like actual proof or?
No, but that's what she's doing.
She's fat, bro.
I don't know why she's not she didn't explain it. She just did it.
She just does stuff, bro. Okay.
Why does she have the dimension of the domain? What is the dimension of Oh. Okay, I know what she's doing. Okay. So here. We'll write out the things that we need. Did it give us the transformation? I'm so confused. What the fuck is this question? Let me read the problem again.
V.
Huh?
It says T by TV equals AV.
Okay. He is big tripping, yo. Her notes don't even freaking cover this. Okay. Mm, I'm thinking how I could. Did she compare columns and rows? Let me see. Um. mm, I guess we should follow the order. Let's just try check if it's 1-to-1 first. Okay.
Okay.
So it says solve tx equals 0. So we already have it in RREF. So we can just write down.
Augmented or not?
Huh?
This isn't an augmented matrix, is it?
No, but
Zero.
it doesn't matter because it's all zeros on the other side, right?
So it's just x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm. So what does that tell us?
Our basis is just 0, 0. No, we don't have it. It's just 0, right?
Okay. What's in the kernel?
Um,
Normally you put your solutions in the kernel, right?
yeah. So
So
is
you
it
would
per t equal to bracket x1,
uh-huh.
x2 parentheses, bracket, which is just equal to bracket 0, 0?
Yeah. Or you could just put 0.
No, bro, she
Okay.
got mad at me last time I did that.
Okay.
She took
Then
off
yes.
points, bro.
0, 0. Therefore, what did we say up here? We said if kernel of t equals 0, then it's 1-to-1.
That's it.
Yeah.
I could say because cur t equal to 0, it's what's it called? 1.
1-to-1.
Okay.
Very, very strange.
Then I'll do B the same way. I'll just do R REF pivots and see if it equals 0.
Yeah. Let me.
Yeah. So do 13.
Yes, we can do 13. Are you
Uh,
absorbing any of this still?
I am.
Yeah? Okay, good.
Believe it or not.
No,
If
I
I'm
do
just
believe it.
so
You actually sound somewhat awake. Kind of crazy.
well, my sleep schedule's pretty fucked up, so
It's gotten pretty bad.
yeah. It's okay. 4 days, guys, 4 days.
Okay.
Semester flew by. Okay.
It did.
Let's just do A, and then I'll try to do just like in my practice. I'll do the others.
Sure. We're given the transformation R n to
I don't know if I'll have brain capacity for calc. We can try a problem, and we'll
Sure.
see.
Yeah, let's get there. We'll get there. Okay.
Turn those big steps into smaller goals.
Yes. Okay. Sounds like someone recalled something.
Okay, just let me know.
Oh wow, the stream's still going. Yes.
How long is it? It's probably like 4 hours.
No, it's been. Wait, actually, it's been an hour and a half nearly
Okay, probably like an hour.
of like actual
Yeah.
effectively. Yeah. Okay, we're
Right,
given
he's not
this.
even gonna watch it.
Huh?
He probably isn't even gonna watch it.
Probably not. But
Okay.
okay. Well, tell him that clearly it's working because I feel like you've made progress. Like it's starting to click. Okay. It wants you to write all this shit out. Okay. So we'll do for a equals 1, -2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1. Okay. Oh, just kidding. Wrong freaking matrix.
Mm-mm. Oh, it should be 1, -2, 3, 0, 1, 2, zeros on the bottom.
Yeah.
And so dimension.
Yeah.
Oh, calculator is allowed.
Yes. Good.
Just tell me the steps, actually.
Okay.
What's
Hmm?
so dimension just refers to don't tell me. The range? Wait, dimension is just number of pivots. Thoughts?
Yes. Let me think.
And then I know how to find rank. Oh, I can do all of these, right?
I think you can. I'm trying to think.
Okay. Then
Mm,
Loki, we don't even have to do these right now.
Wait, I'm trying to think. What does she mean by she says dimension?
They're all low-key, like, I feel like interchangeable in a way. It gets me confused.
Wait, I'm trying to think. Like for the second one, because it's not square. What would the dimension? Dimension is number of. I think dimension is the number of columns. Am I tripping?
Oh, the calculator literally tells you.
Does it?
Yeah.
Like, is the dimension of the first one? Okay, wait. If you're able to do that, check. Is the dimension of the first one 3? So that if
It's
it is 3,
bracket 3, comma 3.
it's what?
Bracket 3, comma 3. I don't know why
That,
it's in brackets, but
that's the dimension?
yeah. I don't think I've ever seen it in a
Okay.
bracket, but
No, that makes sense. It's saying like it's how many columns by how many rows. Okay, wait. Try that for what's it called? For the second matrix, it should be like 4 comma 2, maybe.
give me one moment, Sabine
Yeah,
Bean, so I can actually. Thank you for helping me.
you're welcome.
You make linear so much easier.
Oh, I'm glad.
It's like huge, bro. Does not teach.
She's something special. Yeah, at least she's not making the exams like excruciatingly.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
complain a lot, but low key, some people have it like so much worse than I did.
it's okay.
You did brackets 2, comma 4.
2 comma 4. Okay, so it's okay.
But
So
I've
it's
never seen her. I don't know actually. I
is
feel like
it
I would regret it because it's like it's the right answer.
what?
No, nothing. It's yeah, whatever.
I don't understand.
I don't understand her process and what she means by dimension.
I don't either. Dimension can mean like the dimension. Wait, dimension linear.
I just
Uh,
said dimension and linear.
really?
Yeah,
The number of vectors and a basis for the vector space.
number of vectors. Yeah, bruh. Oh, it just has to do with the number of independent dimension, like a kernel.
So wait, let me see.
So it's
How
just how many non-zero.
how to find dimension of a given kernel T, where T of x equals x. Um, or similar n-dimensional. What? What the hell? Um, hmm, I don't really know what it's asking. I don't understand the question. Like, a question could be asking, what does it mean, dimension? Dimension of what? She The dimension of the domain. Oh. Okay. Dimension of. Okay. Let me clarify. Domain in linear algebra. I think that's the number of columns? Question mark?
I thought it had to do with the this 3D like this space, like if it's an R2, R3, R4.
It might. Yes. Yeah. I think it does. It does. I'm trying to think how that relates to the matrix we're given. Okay. If it's in Rn, then the dimension. So many pop-ups. Okay. Why are they finding the range? What is the dimension? The domain of the transformation is the set of all. Okay. I don't even understand her question. I think it's just like you said something about the space. What did you say about it?
Like if it's an R3 or R2, you need like your dimension's 2.
Yeah. I think like
Well, when you
but
go into like if you start doing it like the way we were doing it like 2 weeks ago, you have to like say if it's like independent or dependent and stuff, and then that determines it. But that's like doing too much. Like,
yeah. Let me think. Okay. Okay. I think I understand. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna write this down. Dimension. I think she means the dimension of the domain. Could she use that as one of her things in her notes? Like that was one of the columns in her notes. Dimension of the domain. So, okay. And I'll say for, actually, I'll write that underneath it. You with me still or no?
yeah.
Okay. For T from Rn to Rm, Rn has domain. You'll see where this is going.
Oh wait, is N and RM referring to columns and rows, and so
They're just numbers.
oh.
Rm has co-domain. So she wants the domain of your original vector space.
Right?
That's what she's asking. So I think we can just say like, shit, I'm trying to think how to explain this. Can I just say like, if the dimension.
Hold on, I asked ChatGPT just now. Give me a second. I'll tell you what he says. Dimension Rn is equal to N, but what is N?
Oh, it's just okay. Wait,
It does refer to the number of columns.
it is okay. Good. Okay, good. So we just went in a circle.
Bruh. So I'll just put number of column. So 3.
Yes. So the next one should be 4. So okay, I was right. I don't know why she's making it so complicated.
So do
It's
I
just
say
the number of columns.
of A?
Dimension.
Or dimension.
No.
Yeah, it is dimension of A though.
Okay, yeah, you could say dimension of A.
And then is equal to 3.
Yes.
Bro, she's fat. Rank. Okay, this stuff I could do by myself. I won't do this now. I just wanted to. For onto, what does she mean by onto, bruh? Who is onto, bruh? What are we on to? Yeah. Big, fat, juicy lips.
Okay.
Hmm.
You're still on stream.
Oh. We have like 100,000 viewers and we're like rich and famous.
Yes. That would be amazing.
Your heads are up in the cloud. Okay. Okay, I can do the rest.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Denzel?
Yeah.
Are
Can we do a calc problem? I still have energy in me, so
good. In
I
that
could
case,
have enough energy for like one calc problem.
okay. I'm thinking, wait. If I end the stream, will it save?
Yeah, it saved the other one. I can still see it.
It saved the other one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. In that case, I can end the stream. All good?
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
Okay.